Hey guys, thanks for joining. We're going to go over today how to remove Windows old files that are left back from updates and feature updates. It can save you a lot of space, anywhere between 3 to 5 gigs, typically after a huge feature update. So let's just walk through it real quick. Now remember, you will need admin privileges to do this, and if you don't know what admin privileges are, then you should probably join our beginners class, but we'll cover that then. So let's just start. You're on the Windows desktop. As you can see, I've got OBS up because that's what we use to record. We also have a class covering that for streaming. From your desktop, just click the Windows key, start typing disk, D-I-S-K, and that'll bring up disk cleanup, and you can fill it out at the bottom, hit enter. And again, this requires admin privileges. We'll click OK on the hard drive that we want to clean up. For this class, we're going to choose our C drive because that's where Windows stores all of its information. We'll click OK, and you'll see a couple different things, but nothing about updates. Right? So you've got downloaded program files, which are just things that websites have downloaded applets to make things run. Typically, you won't see a lot in here. Your temporary internet files, this is all the websites you visited, all your stored passwords, things like that. The error reports and feedback, you can leave this one unchecked. The DirectX shader cache, that's for games and videos. That's loaded onto your graphics card. Let's not check that. The delivery optimization files are for Xbox Live services and Microsoft services, so we're going to leave that unchecked. If your recycle bin has items in it, just go ahead and check that button. The thumbnails can go as well. Now, to actually see the Windows update data, or the data that we want to clean up, right? We're going to choose clean up system files, and as you see, it's got the little badge. So that means that it requires admin privileges, right? So now Windows 10C, that's the one that we want to work with. Click OK. It's going to scan all those files that you couldn't see before. And look at that. Windows Update Cleanup, 3.73 gigs. We're going to go ahead and click that bad boy there. Leave everything else as it was before. Click OK. Delete files. This is going to start the cleanup process. We're just going to wait for a minute while we do that. Takes it a minute, even though we've got fast hardware, Windows in all its glory. So we're just going to hang out for just a couple more minutes while that cleans up. You don't really want to be doing anything else while this happens, right? Because it's messing with system files, so it's going back and forth and it's moving things and it's placing things and making everything more tidy. So the last thing we want to do is come in here and start messing with the system while it's doing this. Boom, and look at that. Disk cleanup complete. Now you can hit Windows Explorer, click this PC, and it'll show you all the space that you've saved. I don't have a whole lot of space, but that's because I've got all kinds of stuff stuck in there. Before this, I had nothing, so it cleaned up those 3.73 gigs for us. All right, guys, thank you for joining, and I hope we can do business. Have a great day.